Do you want to unmute someone's Instagram stories? If you're searching to unmute someone's story from Instagram that you have muted before, it's super easy, and I'll walk you through it step by step. But before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description. Make sure to check out after watching this video. Now, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on the Instagram home screen, search for the profile of the person whose stories you want to unmute. You can do this by tapping the search icon at the bottom and typing their name into the search bar. When their profile appears in the search results, tap on their name to open their profile page. Now, once you're on their profile, you'll see the following under their profile picture and bio. Just tap on the following button. Now, a pop-up menu will appear with several options. From the pop-up menu, tap on Mute. In the mute settings, you'll see options for posts, stories, and notes. If their stories are muted, the toggle switch button next to stories will be turned on. To unmute their stories, simply switch off the toggle button. And that's it. Their stories will now show up again in your story feed, just like everyone else's.